Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Python challenge number 2. So the answer for challenge 1 will come after the question. Oops, you can't see that. After the question for the second challenge. So all right, challenge is 2 functions. First one's pretty easy, but then I'm going to give you a variation on it. So what the idea is, yes, we know that there are 2 functions that we have in Python to find the largest and the smallest numbers in a list, let's say. So now let's say that you had to do it without those functions. How would you go about doing that? And that's kind of the hint of the second function. So I want you to devise a function that can find the second smallest and the second largest number. So not the max or the min, but the second largest, the one beside it, on both ends. So you can either assume that there's going to be 4 numbers, or you could get very sophisticated and have a condition where that is met and only the largest and the smallest are printed out. So there we go. That is our second challenge. So now we need to answer the first challenge. So let's just look at it. All right, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We are doing little micro topics, micro videos. And I love that because that actually came from a subscriber. So all right, here's the first really clunky one, the first one that I think I came up with. And it got the job done. Bottom. I think that was it. So then if I wanted to repeat, I would have to do this or throw another bottom here. But again, I was learning and I got it done and it came up, but this is just pretty gnarly, pretty hacky. So then what? I'd have to do this. And then this again. Oops. I guess I don't even remember. That was it. Box, yeah. So that was the box right there. Then bottom. And then box again. So that got it done. That worked. But I wanted to make it a little bit more elegant and use the tools that I had at my disposal and really see if I could control the for loops. So I came up with these right here, and I just had the characters and then moved through. So let's bring these in and let's see what middle looks like. Don't know why. Let's do rows. Oops. Rows, then middle. I think this is everything. Boom. So then if I wanted to make the box, it'd be rows, middle, rows. So box, rows, middle, then rows. I think, let me make sure I size this right. You can see all this. Okay, good. So then I call box. So boom. But if I wanted more, so I just need middle and rows. More. I think I like that the most. So then if I wanted to add another one, because I already have the bottom on it, I just need from here to here. So there we go. All right, so now we need to talk about the second part of difference between extend and append for a list, those methods. So all right, let's just do help dot list dot append object to the end of a list. Then help dot list dot extend. All right, so we're going to have two lists here. Let's get that out of the way. And y equals so if I take x dot extend y x, I'm extending. So let's redo this and let's put these here. So I want to show you this. So now I have x, y. If I were to do, well, let's just do x plus y. Concatenating. I want you to think about that. Now append puts it at the end. So now I'm about to change x. So I'm going to take y and lengthen it, just like so. But right here I didn't. Actually, let's do this. X plus y. So now I have z, which is a concatenated list of two lists. All right. But now I'm going to change and I'm going to augment. I'm going to extend x with y. So now, but now watch this. So now if I take z dot append and if I give it y, so I'm placing this object in this last location. So that's what the major difference is. So if I have a list, you need to be very, very careful about this. If I have a list and I want to incorporate it or combine it, I use extend. But if I do append, I'm going to put that list inside the list. That is the huge difference between the two. So there we go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.